Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes channel. Do you own W124 chassis Mercedes-Benz and your outside temperature gauge doesn't work? Well, no worries. It's pretty easy procedure to replace it, and I will show you in this video how. Of course, first step is remove that instrument cluster out of the vehicle, and that you can see in my other video. And after you did that, you are almost done, because looking on the back, this is the location of that gauge. It's right here, and all I have to do here is remove these two Phillips screws, and that allows me very easily to pull that entire unit out. You can see it was really very easy procedure. These units are available on eBay used for approximately 25 bucks. And Mercedes-Benz part number it's 124-542-0227. Just before you will order the part, pay attention to the connector. This is the older connector. When these four contacts are in the square, the newer model comes with the four contacts next to each other in one line. So make sure you order the right one. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? Please stay tuned, because I have way more videos about Mercedes-Benz coming your way. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.